Hello and welcome to Graceful Health After 60, your trusted space for aging well, living strong, and feeling your best every day. Today, we're tackling a question we hear all the time. Can I really regain muscle after 70? And the answer is a powerful yes, you absolutely can. But it doesn't happen by accident. It takes the right food, the right movement, and the right mindset. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that step by step. If you're in your 60s, 70s, or even 80s, and you've noticed your arms feel weaker, your legs aren't as steady, or you just don't have that get-up-and-go energy anymore, that's not just aging, that's muscle loss. And it has a name: sarcopenia. Starting around age 50, we lose about 1% of our muscle mass every year. And that decline speeds up if we're not staying active or eating properly. But here's the encouraging part. Muscle is not gone forever. Your body can rebuild it, even after 70. You just need to know how. So let's begin by understanding why muscle matters so much as we age. Muscle isn't just about strength. It's about independence. It's what allows you to climb stairs without holding the railing, carry your own groceries, rise from a chair without help, or walk confidently without worrying about falling. Strong muscles protect your bones, support your joints, help regulate blood sugar, and even benefit your brain health. A study in the Journal of Gerontology found that older adults with more muscle mass had lower rates of chronic illness and even lived longer. Now, let's turn to something many people overlook: the role of food. Some of the most common foods in our kitchens can actually make it harder to maintain strength. First, let's look at processed meats, things like bacon, deli meat, and hot dogs. These contain high levels of sodium and chemical preservatives, which can lead to inflammation and interfere with muscle repair. Instead, opt for lean proteins like grilled chicken, turkey, or plant-based options like lentils and chickpeas. Another silent culprit is sugary breakfast cereals. While they may be quick and easy, they're mostly empty sugar with very little nutrition. Sugar causes energy crashes that leave you feeling tired and weak. A better choice is protein-rich oatmeal, topped with nuts, berries, and maybe a sprinkle of chia seeds. This fuels your muscles and gives you long-lasting energy. White bread and refined carbs are another issue. They break down into sugar quickly and provide little nutritional support. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or whole grain bread are smarter choices. They offer steady energy and help your body make the most of the protein you eat. Lastly, be mindful of alcohol. Even moderate drinking can reduce your body's ability to build muscle. Hydrating with water, turmeric tea, or ginger tea instead supports muscle recovery and reduces inflammation. You don't need to change everything overnight. Even small shifts, like adding one high-protein meal a day and cutting back on processed snacks, can help your muscles respond better to activity. And speaking of activity, now let's move into the next essential piece of the puzzle: movement. When it comes to regaining muscle after 70, exercise plays a huge role. But don't worry, you don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment. In fact, you don't even need to stand up in some cases. Studies from the National Institute on Aging show that even just 2 or 3 days a week of light strength training can help older adults rebuild muscle, improve balance, and reduce the risk of falls. There are 3 simple categories of exercises to focus on. The first is resistance training. Think of lifting light weights, using resistance bands, or doing bodyweight movements like standing up from a chair or wall push-ups. These exercises send a clear message to your body: we still need these muscles, so don't let them go. Even doing 10 sit-to-stand movements in a row from a sturdy chair is enough to start making progress. The second category is balance and flexibility training. This includes things like standing on one foot, walking heel to toe in a straight line, or practicing gentle yoga or Tai Chi. These movements don't just help with posture and coordination, they actively prevent falls and help you move with more confidence in daily life. And third, don't forget cardio. Low-impact activities like walking, biking, or swimming. Just 20 to 30 minutes a day, even split into smaller chunks, can make a huge difference. If that sounds like a lot, remember, even a 10-minute walk after lunch helps your muscles and boosts your energy. If mobility is a concern, try sit and strengthen routines, seated leg lifts, arm raises, or marching in place while seated. These are gentle on the joints but still signal your body to maintain muscle. Now, let's talk about something people often overlook: what you eat after exercise. Your muscles need protein to recover and grow. Without it, your effort won't give you the full benefit. Some great post-exercise snacks include a boiled egg with whole grain toast, a bowl of Greek yogurt with berries, a small protein smoothie with banana and nut butter, or a bowl of lentil soup with brown rice. According to research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who consume 20 to 30 grams of protein after movement build significantly more muscle than those who don't, even if the exercise was light. So don't skip your post-workout meal. Think of it as refueling your progress, and you don't need fancy powders or supplements unless recommended by your doctor. Real, whole foods work beautifully, and your body will thank you.